Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to lighten dark video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Lightening dark video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro can significantly enhance the quality and visibility of your video content. The Lumetri color panel in Premiere Pro is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust various aspects of your video, including exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and more. It's the most comprehensive way to handle color correction and enhancement. Now, go to Window, Lumetri Color, to open the Lumetri Color panel if it's not already visible. Click on the clip in the timeline that you want to lighten, and the Lumetri Color panel. Choose the Basic Correction tab. Use the Exposure slider to brighten the entire image. This control increases the overall brightness of the video. Use the Contrast slider to make the image pop by increasing the difference between the dark and light areas. Increase the highlights to brighten the lighter areas without affecting the shadows too much. Adjust shadows to brighten darker areas of your footage. Now, use the white slider to brighten the brightest parts of your footage. Use the black slider to adjust the darkest areas. Now, let's enhance color and vibrance. Increase the saturation slider to make colors more vibrant, which can help in brightening the perception of your video. Now go to Creative. Increase the vibrance to enhance the saturation of muted colors while protecting skin tones. Click on the Curves tab within the Lumetri Color panel. Use the RGB curves to fine-tune the brightness and contrast. Drag the curve upward in the highlight section to brighten the image. And your video is ready to export. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.